This video will outline how to create an account on the Los Angeles Vendor Self-Service (VSS) web application. Note: please use Internet Explorer or Google Chrome as your browser when navigating VSS. To begin, go to lavss.lacity.org. Once on the VSS homepage, click the new registration link to begin the process. A new window will open with the Memorandum of Agreement page. Read over the agreement, and click Accept Terms when complete. The Registration Tips page will list the information needed to set up your account. The following information must be assembled: tax ID number, legal business name, and contact information for designated personnel for account administrator, ordering, and payment. To continue the process, you must search for your company to determine whether you already have a vendor code. If a company, enter your tax ID or legal business name. If an individual, enter your last name and last 4 digits of your Social Security number. In this example, we will search for a business using the legal business name field. If results are found, they will appear under the search selection. If your vendor code was listed in the results, then the registered field will specify yes or no. If the registered field says yes, then someone within your organization has already created a VSS account. Click the Contact Your Administrator link to confirm who is the admin for the account within your organization. The Account Administrator page will provide the contact information for your account admin. Contact your admin to request account access. If your registered column says no, then an activation code must be provided by the city in order to register the account. Click the Contact the City to request an activation code link to continue. On the Request an Activation Code page, fill out the name, email address, and phone number fields. The information will be sent to the city so that they can review the request and send an activation code by email. When the activation code arrives via email, follow the instructions in the email to activate the account by clicking the link provided. If an account was not found, click New Registration. On the My User Information page, complete the required fields on the General Information section. Required fields are highlighted with a red asterisk. Note that the password must be between 8 and 16 characters. It must contain at least 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, and 1 number. The password may not contain the word password, and may not contain the username. Once all of the required fields are filled, click Next to continue. On the Verify Email Address page, make sure your email is correct. If the email is incorrect, click back to edit. If correct, proceed by clicking Next. The Thank You page will open with further instructions. Once read over, click Close Browser and await the email notification to verify the account. When the email arrives, click on the link in the email, or you may copy and paste it into your browser. A new browser opens with the Los Angeles Vendor Self-Service (VSS) login page. Enter the user ID and password that was created on the My User Information page and click Login. The Add Business Location, New Account Registration page opens. Select a tax identification number, TIN type. If you do not know your TIN, or do not wish to provide it, select I do not have any of the above forms of taxpayer identification. Next, select your business classification and click Next to continue. On the My Business Information page, complete the required fields marked with a red asterisk. Note: you may first be asked to indicate if you are registering as a company or individual. The organization type and classification will be default based on the selections in the previous step. Click Next to continue. Once on the Add Business Location, Address Information Questionnaire page, complete the address questions. Click Next to continue. On the Addresses and Contacts page, fill out the required fields marked with a red asterisk. If you answered yes to all of the addresses and contact questions, you will be brought directly to the registration summary page. If you answered no to any of the questions, you will be asked to enter the other required addresses and contacts. The administrative address, ordering address, payment address are required. The billing address is optional. On the registration summary page, verify the organization and address information entered. If complete and correct, click Submit Registration. If there are any errors, an error message will display. If errors are issued, click back to return to previous pages to correct the necessary information. Or click Update Information in the appropriate section. Once all errors are resolved and the information has been verified, click Submit Registration. If there are no errors, the Thank You page opens. Take note of your vendor code. Please save your code for future reference. The vendor registration application link will open a PDF of the information provided during registration for your records. Congratulations! You have successfully created a VSS account. In the next video, we will go over navigating your VSS account.